And this is why I feel like where Motorola had the opportunity to really make waves here, and even Verizon, even though they may have the exclusive rights to it, if they would have put that out by Christmas, if they would have got the hype out there and got people excited, they could have gotten people to jump on board this phone and gave it a look. Versus now, if you are a customer and let's just say you had a choice between these two phones, it's obvious which one you're going to pick. And I don't think you're going to pick up the Razr unless you're doing it for nostalgia's sake. Now, I'm pretty sure the purpose of this phone is to get people jumping on board for nostalgia's sake. But even with nostalgia, unless they price this in a way where it's going to bring in the numbers, and I think the time to have done that would have been around Christmas, where they probably could have bundled this up in a nice little package where come in there, get this for a deal for Christmas, we'll knock off $200 $300. And when a carrier does that, they say they're knocking off $300, but the reality is they probably roll it somewhere else, or they find a way to say, all right, look, buy this phone for this, we'll throw in a 3 this, or we'll throw this in. And they're probably, and I can say probably, they likely will structure it along 2 or 3 years to make it look like, well, your payments are not that high. There you go. You got a nice little phone. It's new. It's something that no one else have. And, well, it's nostalgic. It's the old school Razr. It's going to be a talking point. When you're around your family, your loved ones, your coworkers, whatever, at Christmas party, you're going to have a phone out there that no one else have. You're going to have a technology out there that no one else have in their hand. And guess what? People about that, especially around the Christmas holidays, you could have had opportunity to get people jumping on board with that. And they missed that. So now you're in the middle of January and February where people are like, looking at their bill for the first time after Christmas. They got that sticker shock. They like, man, I really lost my mind around Christmas, or I did it again. I got this brand new TV. I got this brand new Xbox. I got this brand new this. Now I got to make payments on these. I got to start paying off this credit card. I need to start getting on a budget now. I need to start doing, my New Year's resolution of changing my life. Man, there's no way that Motorola and Verizon are going to be able to get the same kind of attention that this Samsung flip phone is going to get. And again, when you look at the pricing, that's going to be the thing that's going to separate it. And I know Samsung. They already took their lumps on the Fold last year. They're itching for a chance to really just kind of get in this market and blow it open. Like they did the Note phone. When they came out with the Note, really blowing that market up to where more people started wanting larger phones and more larger displays. Oh, guess what? A lot of your displays that you have on your phone, guess who make them? Samsung. Your iPhone using a Samsung display. Your Pixel phone using a Samsung display. There are a lot of these smartphone manufacturers that are going to Samsung for the displays. So Samsung wins here. They win. Even when you think they lost, they won. Whether you bought my phone or you bought the competitor phone, you still paying me. So can you imagine? They get this market, they get this industry. They blow this thing up again. And man, when I say blow it, I mean blow it up in a good way. Now, guess where people coming to for these folding displays? Because if this take off, and I have a feeling it's going to take off, Apple is going to be interested in this. People are going to be going to Apple and saying, yo, where's your folding phone? Where's your flip phone? This is cool. We having a phone that flip down like a flip phone and is pocketable. Yo, this is something that you need to look into. And it's a matter of time before Apple say, you know what? Maybe we need to come out with our own phone. Maybe it's time to launch the Apple iPhone Flip. Come on. And when they do, who do you think they're going to go to for the display? See, there's a lot that is exciting about this industry. Even if you are an iPhone fan, who may look at this and saying, all right, is this technology going to work? And should I really care about this technology? Yes. Yes.